Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Shilpa Data Insights. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be discussing different methods how you can go ahead and sort your data. So if you have a data set and you want to sort your data in the ascending order, how you can do it. If you want to sort the data in the descending order, how you can do it. This is a very common use case that you will be dealing with every day in your data engineering field or your data analyst field. So it's a must to know thing. So how you can do it? There are different methods for it. The most widely used method here is order by, and the second method is the sort functionality. So the sort and order by both will give you the same result, but it differs in how exactly it functions in the backend. So if you are using SQL, you can use order by and sort by. And if you are using PySpark, you can also use both the functions. So let's go ahead and dig into our practicals and see how we can sort the data on the basis of ascending and descending order. So what I will do first is I will go ahead and import some functions like the column function, ascending and descending, in order to showcase this use case for the sort order. And before that, I have attached this to my cluster in Scala 2.12 version. And we will be writing the code in PySpark, not in Scala. And this is the Databricks Community Edition that we are using. So please go ahead and practice it, whatever I am teaching you, so that it is there in your memory and you will be able to use it efficiently. Now I am creating the data set here first of all, and in this data set I have my employee name, department, state, salary, age and bonus. Now if you will see, I have created the data frame from the list of data set. If you don't know how you can go ahead and create your data frame, then go ahead and watch my previous videos in which I have explained you how to create the data frame from the list. Here I have mentioned the schema of it using the print schema. So my employee name, everything is my string except my salary, age and bonus. So I have not mentioned any schema here. So PySpark is quite intelligent to know and infer the schema from the dataset that I have provided it. And it has displayed me the dataset here. Now let me go ahead and do a sort operation on my department and my state. So what I will do is I will sort the data of my department and my state in the ascending order. How I can do it? There are two ways. If you know how you can select the data in a PySpark data frame, you have multiple ways. One way is your string. Second is your column object. So the first method that I am showing you here in my first line, this is my string method, in which I am mentioning that from this data frame, I want to sort the data on the basis of my department first in ascending order and then the state in the ascending order. Ascending order is basically a default thing. So if you are sorting the data in ascending order, you don't have to mention the ascending keyword here. It will automatically recognize that you want your data set to be sorted by ascending order. Let me go ahead and comment this code and show you first the way in which we do it in the string method. So if you will see, the department has been sorted in ascending order. So F is there and then M and then C. And then if you will see the state, first Canada is there, then New York is there, right? So it has done a sorting on the basis of department first in ascending and then the state in the ascending order. Let me do the same thing in my column object. What does column object means? You can use the call method. Inside the call method, you put your string inside that and it will sort that data set, and you can do a show command in order to show. If you don't know how to use the column method, how to use your string method, how to use a select expression, or how to do a show, then go ahead, watch my previous video. I have created a playlist here, very good playlist of Spark Basic to Advanced, in which I have explained you how to create your data frame, how to define your schema, how to select your columns and other things. So make sure you can watch it and you can learn how to do it. Then jump into this, which will help you in understanding the complete flow. Now I will be rerunning this particular command, in which, if you will see, it gives me the same data set here, but it is just doing a columnar method. Now, the same thing, the sorting has another keyword called order by. So if you mention df.order by and mention your column names, then it will do the same method in the ascending order. So I will just go ahead and rerun this command, and you see it has given me the same result data set. Finance is there, then marketing, then sales, and finance state is again ordered in ascending order. Now, if you want to go ahead and mention the keyword ascending, it's not necessary, but if in case you want to go ahead and mention, by default it takes, then you can go ahead and mention .asc and then the parenthesis after each column to mention what type of sorting you need for department. Do you need it for descending or do you need it for ascending? So let me go ahead and do this, and let me see the result set. See, the result set is same. Now let's say I want my department to be in descending order, but I want my column state in my ascending order. I can do that as well. I just have to mention the descending keyword. Now you see the sales comes first and then marketing and then finance. It has reversed the order, that is descending, but the state is in ascending. So first Canada comes and then the New York. So it's alphabetically, it actually sorts your data. Now, if I have to do it again in my other method, that is my order by, you can mention the order by and rerun this command, and this is doing it in ascending order. I hope now you have understood what kind of keyword you want to use if in case you want to order the data in ascending and descending. So ascending you use .asc, for descending you use this .desc, and for column method you use this call method, and if you want to do an order by, you can do an order by. If you want to do a sort, you can do a sort. It gives you the same results. Now let me show you for the sort. I showed it for the order by. Now see, now what I'm doing is I'm mentioning the column state in descending. Earlier I was mentioning department in descending. Now I'm mentioning state in descending. Now if you will see, New York come first because N comes first. Sorry, comes in the descending order, right? And CA comes again in the descending order. So N comes in the descending first and then C comes, right? So that's how it is. Now, again, it's the reverse way. Again, I will just rerun this, which we already explained how exactly it works. So these two methods are very common. You can use it interchangeably, and you can use the ascending and descending, which is a very common way that you will be using in order to sort your data. And if you want to watch some other videos related to Databricks, you can watch my Databricks playlist. I hope you have learned something new and understand about the sort and the order by clause. I'll come up with the next video. By then, stay tuned in this channel. And do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share it with my friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you have a good day.